can't believe is that I'll sit there now and I'll look at one of these charts that I used to look at a year ago, not even understand what these things were. And now I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh, I need to put some fibs on that. Oh, look at that. Like, there's these things coming out of my mouth and I'm like, what am I saying now?
Yeah. Do you, let me ask you, do you talk technical analysis language, like just regular, like I talk to my husband and sometimes I'll get mad or I'll be like, babe, I'm sorry I acted like that. I had a little retracement.
Yeah.
You know? He's like, babe, as long as you don't go past the 61, we can move through this. But, you know, we have these little conversations that incorporate tech language. It's so funny.
Yeah. It's like
become our life.
Me and my husband are having like an argument. I'll say, I'm just going to put a stop loss under that because that's not going any further than that.
Yeah, you just totally took my whole stop loss out right there. Just blew my account. Don't make me blow this account. That is hilarious. Yeah.
Oh God, it's mental, isn't it? But it's just I love it. I love it.